Downloaded software that came as a P2I disk image and need to access the contents? This is CyberLink's proprietary disk image format used by their burning suite. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you mount, extract, and burn these Power2Go images. Consider this essential for your toolkit: a single program that can open hundreds of formats, including a partially broken P2I. My top choice is here, and we'll discuss more later. Users encounter P2I files when they have created or received a disk image using CyberLink's Power2Go software. Their goal is to either burn this image to a physical CD, DVD, Blu-ray, or mount it as a virtual drive to access its contents, such as software installers or media backups. The P2I format is a proprietary container designed by CyberLink to encapsulate the complete file system and data structure of an optical disk. It includes not only the files, but also the boot information and disk layout metadata, ensuring a perfect 1.1 copy when burned back to a physical medium. Your primary troubleshooting tool for P2I should be the specialized CyberLink Power2Go by CyberLink Corp. Full file access relies on specialized software that can rebuild the file's index. Windows provides only limited details, so restoring or browsing the image requires dedicated software. To open this specific P2I file, right-click your file and select Open With. If CyberLink Power2Go is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Don't worry if it takes a few attempts to find the right software. If the P2I file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. The error is a consequence of the P2I format's specific requirements. Here is a breakdown of the technical reasons your application is failing to recognize it. First, opening in Power2Go. Launch CyberLink Power2Go and use the Burn Disk from Disk Image option. Browse to your P2I file and select a target optical drive with blank media to recreate the original disk. Power2Go can also mount P2I images as virtual drives for direct file access without burning. Next, converting to ISO format. Use CyberLink Power2Go's image conversion feature to export the P2I file as a standard ISO image. Once converted, the ISO can be opened by virtually any disk utility, including Windows built-in mount features 7-zip WinRAR, or virtual drive software, like daemon tools for universal compatibility. Finally, extracting with archive tools. Try opening the P2I file with 7-zip or pzip, which sometimes recognize the underlying ISO 9660 structure within proprietary disk images. Right-click the file and select Open Archive. If successful, you can browse and extract individual files without burning the image to physical media. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend FileMagic. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagic.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.